Yes guys, I'm back again with another recovery video. Today's video will be for a brethren, so it's not going to be a mad man. It's just going to be a local small one. I've done my van checks, I'm all good to go. I'm out of here. Let's go. That sound is so much, that gives me so much anxiety hearing the thing that's flat, you know. One time I was blowing, slapped a hump and the thing just fell out. I mean, this drive, man's doing a little light drive to my bridges. I'm gonna jump out, double check it again. Yo, no job is easy still, nothing you do is easy, fam. Trust me, people just make it look like it's easy. What? The road can't be closed, you're a German. Oh no, it's not. Gang. Citroen and Relay, they run rough though. Look, a man got his girl badding him up like that. Them man's there. I was young once, fam. Trust me, boy. Tell you, all you young G's, enjoy it. Make the most of your young days, boy. Because when you start getting old, fam, everything starts getting slower. Bare problems, aches and pains, bare problems will start picking up, fam. Like you never knew before, like.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Yeah. That's you know the yacht tip. Wow, this thing actually spun it from my name, bro. Right? Man's thinking this thing spun it from man, bro, like. The thing all spun it and went up a next road and that, they're moving mad. Mental health is real still, fam. Let's go. I need to grab a patty from Jerky. Right gang, so I've got to Acton. Aye, that was a little drive still. I didn't even show you that I did a recovery, but madness. Gotta take the picture. Taking this off is gonna be a mad thing. Batteries on everything are low, so I'm just gonna try to keep this as quick as possible, but as safe as possible. First thing I wanna do is pull out the straps. Right, that's how. The floor is not livable. The floor is not livable. I'm gonna have to sort of, yeah. First thing, I want to make sure the handbrake in this car is on. Don't know who he's beeping. This thing. Make sure the handbrake in this is secure. Yes. so that's not going nowhere. Always be aware of your surroundings, because I still got the engine running. I have to be wary, you get me? What I want to do, I think the clutch is gone on this van. Right, so I don't know. Alright, so I'm just going to clean up the van. Take a picture for the customer. I'm happy with my straps. I'm happy they're all neat. Get this thing, I don't know how we're gonna try the light bar and that. Yo, bro. Right, gang, we are ready to go back.